Okay, so what brought you out to Willowwood today?
I wanted to see the community because a lot of my clients like the McKinney area.
I'm excited to see the new home builds that you have going on in Texas.
Well, I love this community just because of the location.
And love that it is a McKinney address, but Melissa schools.
What about First Texas Homes that really makes them stand out and say, you know what, I've got to show this house to my client?
Well, just that it's still affordable.
Really like working with Stephanie and her crew out here.
One, it is a beautiful community.
They have a great reputation, so of course I want to bring my clients who are looking for a new build to a community like this with great amenities, but also you can't beat a First Texas home.